Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will perform experiment number 11 to display the characteristic behavior of linear voltage differential transformer for electrical measurement systems using hardware. First of all, we will see what is linear voltage differential transformer and its usage. Linear voltage differential transformer consists of a primary winding and two equal secondary windings. These coils are wound on a non-ferromagnetic support while a ferromagnetic core moves inside this system. If the core is arranged symmetrically with respect to the secondary winding, the voltage induced across these windings will be equal in ideal conditions. Therefore, as the windings are in opposition, the total signal resulting from the difference of the two voltages will be equal to 0. On the other hand, if the core is not centered with respect to the two secondary windings, the linked fluxes between the primary and the secondary windings will be different. Consequently, the voltages across the coils are different, so that the measured output voltage must be different from 0. This output voltage is then used to find the position of object. To sketch the output characteristic of linear voltage differential transformer for electrical measurement systems using MCM20A module is the main objective of this particular experiment. Let us see what will be the requirement in order to perform this experiment. First of all, we will need a variable power supply, MCM12A module, and NI Elvis instrument launcher for the oscilloscope and the DMM. Let us see how this experiment will be performed in laboratory. Experiment number 11 to display the characteristic behavior of linear voltage differential transformer for electrical measurement systems using the hardware. MCM12A module will be used in order to perform this experiment, and we will be using NI Elvis board, NI Elvis instrument launcher for the purpose of oscilloscope and DMM. This is LVDT position transducer and signal conditioner. This is the trainer we will be using in this experiment. LVDT position transducer and signal conditioner. This is the circuit and this is the current transformer. If we move this contact point, internal winding position changes. Due to this, a change or disturbance occurs at its output voltage. Now what we will be doing, we will apply 8 volts from our power supply. You can see at the top. Now we will measure out the output voltage via DMM. You can see there is no voltage at 0 position of the slider. As we will move our slider, the output voltage will increase. Now let us take the readings according to the manual with a difference of 5 mm. At 5 mm you can see it gives a 1.34 volts. Next we will move our slider at 10 mm. It gives us 3.21 volts. Then we move our slider, that is a core, at 15 mm. It gives a 4.77 volts. You can see in the DMM. Now increase it to the 20 mm. You get a 6.77 volts, and at last we see at 25 mm it gives a 8.24 volts. You can observe a behavior from this experiment and from these readings. You need to draw a conclusion according to this. Now this is the input circuit of the system. We have to find out what is the effect of the slider position on this particular input. Note down the readings with the difference of 2 mm according to the manual as given here in 11.2 table. Ideally there should be no effect on the system, but due to the CT position changes, but let's have a look. You can see there is no effect on the input. There is a minor difference of the reading. It may be due to an error or some built-in defect. Now you need to plot the graph for this part, and then a combined graph for the part A and part B given on your manual, and you need to draw a conclusion according to the observations you have done in the lab, and you can note down these values from this experiment. Thank you.